ECG Premium is my best online course for people who need to learn to read ECGs and who need practice. You'll go from knowing nothing about ECGs to being able to read them with proficiency and confidence. With detailed, clearly labeled pictures and understandable audio, I start with the very basics such as the components of the QRS complex and progress to more advanced materials such as identifying myocardial infarctions, arrhythmias, or even incorrect lead placement. Best of all, I teach you a step-by-step approach to reading the ECG from start to finish, something that you don't get from other courses. Furthermore, ECG Premium gives you full access to practice ECGs and our ECG archives with detailed video explanations of the findings. ECG Premium is available 24/7, 365 from any device and is like having one-on-one training from an expert cardiologist. For more details about the course or topics, please read below.